Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that what is Wi-Fi. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in technology and internet. So today's topic is very interesting and important for you. So let's start. First of all, I will request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page and Instagram as well. So friend, what is Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi is the wireless technology used to connect computers, tablets, smartphones, and other devices to the internet. Wi-Fi is the radio signal sent from a wireless router to a nearby device, which translates the signal into data you can see and use. The device transmits a radio signal back to the router, which connects to the internet by wire or cable. So what is a Wi-Fi network actually? A Wi-Fi network is simply an internet connection that's shared with multiple devices in a home or business via wireless router. The router is connected directly to your internet modem and acts as a hub to broadcast the internet signal to all your Wi-Fi enabled devices. This gives you flexibility to stay connected to the internet as long as you are within your network coverage area. Now, what does Wi-Fi stand for? Ironically, it doesn't stand for anything actually. Wi-Fi, often referred to as Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi, it's often thought to be short for wireless, but there is no such thing. The term was created by a marketing firm because the wireless industry was looking for a user-friendly name to refer to to some not so user-friendly technology known as IEEE 802.11 and the same stuck. How does Wi-Fi actually work? Wi-Fi uses radio waves to transmit data from your wireless router to your Wi-Fi enabled devices like your TV, smartphones, tablet and computer. Because they communicate with each other over airwaves, your devices and personal information can become vulnerable to hackers, cyber attacks and other threats. This is especially true when you connect to a public Wi-Fi network at places like a coffee shop or airport. So when possible, it's best to connect to a wireless network that is password protected or a personal hotspot. Types of Wi-Fi connections. First one is the wireline or router. Most homes uses a wireless router to access the internet these days. The pros include convenience of setup, mobility within range of the Wi-Fi access point router, and the ability to connect multiple devices. The cons are limited bandwidth and reduced speed as more devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, as well as potential interference from other electromagnetic devices in the home. Mobile hotspot or jetpack. Mobile and dedicated hotspots are becoming a more popular way of connecting safely on the go. Two common hotspot devices are your smartphone and a jetpack. Most any smartphone or tablet today can be used as a temporary hotspot and is a great option if you occasionally need it. It's easy to use and doesn't require buying extra devices, but it can zap your battery life and data pretty fast. On the other hand, a jetpack acts as a dedicated mobile hotspot that picks up a signal from cell towers in your area just like your smartphone. More devices can connect to it and it offers a greater range of Wi-Fi, and because it's a separate device, your smartphone battery power doesn't get touched. The downfall is having to buy the jetpack and a separate plan through your mobile carrier. 4G LTE home internet. If you live in a rural area where your internet options are limited, 4G LTE home internet is worth considering. It offers high speed internet service delivered over cell phone tower and mobile networks with average download speed around 25 megabyte per second, normally with less latency and more data than you get with satellite. The advantages are better speeds and reliability depending on your carrier. A few of the downfalls of 4G LTE home internet can include limited availability and cost of service and setup. 5G home internet. As 5G home internet fixed wireless access becomes more widely available, it has the potential to become one of the best and most cost efficient internet services out there. Using a new spectrum of powerful radio frequencies over a wireless network, it offers great capacity than 4G, significantly faster speed up to 1 gigabyte, and less latency than what most people have at home. Since the 5G wireless base stations are typically located within 10 miles of homes, service reliability is often remarkable. The only real drawback to 5G home internet right now is that availability is so limited, but that's all about to change. How to get Wi-Fi at home? As mentioned, we have already discussed that there are several ways to get wireless service at your home, and most depend on geographical location and availability. The majority of urban and suburban areas offer most of these services. With 5G home internet right around the corner, rural areas will most likely offer satellite and 4G LTE home internet. If you have a wired internet service, you will be able to set up your own Wi-Fi network at home. By connecting a router to your modem, you can share your internet connection with all your Wi-Fi enabled devices within range. If your home has two levels, concrete walls or random dead zones, adding a Wi-Fi extender that relays the wireless signal to these areas can make a big difference. Keep in mind that as the number of your mobile devices grows, so does the demand for bandwidth. To keep your devices running at top speeds, you may need to upgrade your internet speed plan. Verizon offers several internet services ranging from DSL and fiber to 5G home internet. Okay, so friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you, friends.